how to roll out your pie crust. A little bit of flour. Nothing sticks. Flour the parchment paper. Away and towards you. Away and towards you. Very carefully slide this under. Just like that, okay? Pie plate upside down. And then flip it. Just carefully remove your parchment paper. And now we'll make sure we fold that into our tray in the edges. I would normally use scissors, but my scissors are not clean, so I'm not about to put them on the pie. Now, anywhere you need to patch, just take that extra piece that you've got and simply patch that up, and there's nothing wrong with that at all. And if you want to get fancy around the edges, you can simply fold up. We're going to leave that for now until we fill our pie, and then we're going to be folding up and under to give that a nice, deep, thick crust. Bon, good. And that's how we roll out our pie crust.